Hi everyone, welcome back, and today we'll be solving another chemistry question. This time we'll be coming from the 2018 Combined Science Chemistry Paper 3, question 7. Okay, so figure 7.1 describes some of the substances that result from the chemical reactions of metal R. Okay, so this is a very common flowchart question that you see in most O-level papers. So this is a question that you need to pay a lot more attention to. Okay, so every step along the way that gives you clues that leads to the next answer. Okay, so down here there is five different substances that we need to identify: R, S, T, U, and V. Okay, so first of all, R is a powdered metal. Okay, so first reaction we see here, R is added to dilute hydrochloric acid. So we know that metal and acid. So it's one of the classic reagents where acid plus metal. Okay, so this reaction gives you salt plus hydrogen. This is a known fact. This is what we know. So we break it down to S and T, right? So after this reaction, after R is added to a hydrochloric acid, S and T is formed. So S is the colorless gas, and apply a burning splint, you hear a popping sound. So we can confirm this is hydrogen. Okay, hydrogen gas. So we know from this is hydrogen gas. Okay, so next is T. So T is the salt form in this reaction. So this is S, right? This is T. So T is a green solution. So first of all, that is the one of the biggest clue right there, the color. So when you see the color green, it's a very good chance it is a Fe2 plus ion. Okay, so Fe2 plus gives you a dirty green color, especially when it's in a PPT form. So, but if it's a solution form, it's still in green. So, what can we gather from this? So, R is iron. Okay, so one common mistake a lot of students will make that is they will put Fe2. Okay, so this is wrong. Okay, so this will actually denote a Fe2 plus ion. Okay, so this is not equivalent to iron metal. So, but because of the color green and then because of Fe2 plus, we can safely say that R is iron. Okay, so if R is iron, so iron plus hydrochloric acid. What is the salt? Salt is FeCl2 plus hydrogen. Okay, so balance this out. This is the equation. Okay, so this is T. Immediately, because once we derive that R is metal and it reacts with hydrochloric acid, this is the chemical equation that is formed. So FeCl2 is solution T. So this is T. This is iron 2 chloride. Okay, so T undergoes two different reactions. Okay, so first, we do the one that is going downwards. So T is added to aqueous sodium hydroxide. Okay, so from this we write out the chemical equation again. FeCl2 plus NaOH. Okay, so what does this give you? This gives you iron, hydroxide, and salt. So we balance out the equation, and this is the final equation. Okay, so as we know, iron 2 hydroxide is insoluble in excess sodium hydroxide. So this will give you the green PPT, which is substance V. So you can say substance V is iron 2 hydroxide. Okay, so that leaves us with the last one, substance U. So substance U is T, which is iron 2 chloride, right? So iron 2 chloride plus acidified aqueous silver nitrate. So silver nitrate AgMO3. Okay, so this reaction gives you iron 2 nitrate and silver chloride. So we balance out the equations. Okay, so this is the final equation. Okay, so we know that the white PPT will be the silver chloride. So U is the silver chloride. So U will be silver chloride. Yeah. Okay. So part B, write a balanced chemical equation for one of the reactions included in figure 7.1. Okay, so down here you can use a few of those reactions. There will be three major ones, which is number 1, number 2, and number 3 right here. All these are the boxed up ones. So you can choose either one. Of course, the standard one will be the acid plus metal equals salt and hydrogen. So this is something that has been taught repeatedly and something that you should know by now. Okay, so this is how you tackle a question of this sort, step by step, and one reaction by one reaction.